Hey, what is anti-gravity? So, anti-gravity is a product launched by Google, and at first glance, it looks similar to VS Code editor. But this is not just an IDE, it's an AI-powered development platform where autonomous agents can plan, write, test, and even improve your code almost like having an entire AI engineering team inside your computer. Yes, it's somewhat similar to tools like Cursor, but Google is taking this to another level with agent based development. Okay, this product right now it is completely free to use. uh, if you're watching this video in future, it might be paid. I don't know. So right now it is completely free to use. So now let's actually use anti-gravity. To use anti-gravity, so open your browser and type Google Antigravity. So open Google Antigravity website, official website. Okay, so here I will download this IDE for my Mac, so you can download it for your Windows as well, for Linux as well. So I'm using Apple Silicon chip. So yeah, it started downloading. Okay, once it is downloaded, I'll click on the DMG file. I will move it to applications, and then uh, I'll open this anti-gravity application. Okay, I will choose a dark color, and I will keep recommended settings as it is. Click on next. So now you need to sign up with your Google account, so I will sign it with my Google account. Okay, I have signed in with my Google account. I'll click on next, agreeing all the terms and conditions. Okay, now you should see it has opened an IDE which looks similar to a VS Code editor. Okay, so what I will do is I will create an folder. Uh, so I'll go to my downloads, and here I'll create a folder, my Google Antigravity. Okay, so I'll open the folder that I created right now, my Google Antigravity folder. Okay, the folder is opened here. So now here in this folder I will start my application building. So so basic idea here is I just wanted to build I wanted to see like how anti-gravity can build a website. So what I'm trying here is I just want to build an kind of portfolio website for fitness. So what I will do here is um, okay, I will select the model as Gemini tree flash. Okay, and I'll keep planning as it is. Okay, now okay, I will type here create me a fitness website. uh, it should look professional and attractive. Use React. So here, so more precisely you type your prompt, that would be good. I'm not good at prompting, so I just typed a normal prompt like I just wanted to build a website where for fitness, and I told it to use a React to build this website. So let's see how it builds. Okay, I clicked on run. So now first what it does is it plans out how it should be now developed. So first phase, what it does, it plans out everything what all need to be done. So it's planning. Okay, now if you see, it has generated the plan, the structure, the way it wants to build this site. Okay, um, okay, it started building. I click on proceed. Okay, so okay, run. So what I'll do is I just click on run it, if you want to create, if it wants to create some file, it asks for permissions, so I will accept all the permission. So what here it does is like it has planned to create some files like navbar.jsx, hero.jsx, and etc. So let it build. I need to accept all this. So yeah, once accepted, it started building the website right now. So yeah, let's see how it builds a website. Okay, here if you see, it has built me on a website, but I'm not that satisfied with this website because there is no images and everything. So what I do is like I will ask it to add some images. Okay, okay, so okay, so what it does is now it will add all the required images wherever it is necessary to be used. So let's wait and see how it builds. Okay, finally it has built me on a website with this image in the hero banner. And you can also see for links, it has not changed the color, it has kept blue as it is with the underline. Yeah, you can also make the changes. You just need to tell anti-gravity that change this menu font or text color to white or something. It will do it for you. So this was so easy. So it has built me a cool looking website. It just took around 5 to 7 minutes, I guess, to build this kind of website. If you try building it on your own using code, it might more time consuming for you. uh, but using this kind of agentic IDE, it is so helpful. It is so fast to build this kind of websites these days. So yeah, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, family, and don't please forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.